Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message in a Telegram group chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to efficiently manage your messages within a Telegram group conversation. Step 1. Start by visiting telegram.com on your PC and logging into your Telegram account. Step 2. Open the group chat conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Step 3. Locate the specific message you wish to remove. Hover your mouse over it, and then right-click on the message. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Delete Message to initiate the deletion process. Step 5. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to confirm the deletion. Click on Delete to permanently erase the message from the group chat. By following these steps, you can effectively delete a message in a Telegram group chat on your PC. Managing messages in group chats helps maintain communication clarity and organization. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide assists you in efficiently managing your messages within Telegram group chats on your PC. Enjoy a streamlined messaging experience by utilizing the message deletion feature in Telegram group conversations.